In Web3, engaging your community is crucial for success. However, building the necessary incentive tools from scratch is challenging and time-consuming. That's where Unitap comes in. Unitap is an incentive layer for Web3 that addresses this challenge with its production-ready tools. Using Unitap, you can design campaigns of tasks on your own platform, run your customized point system, enjoy a built-in dynamic leaderboard, hand out cool badges, boost your growth using your referral system, and reward users with various gamification tools. Currently, Unitap offers two incentivizing tools: Token Tap, where you can reward users with any token on a first-come, first-served basis, and Prize Tap, where you run exciting raffles where users complete tasks to win big prizes. Now, let's take a peek at the Incentive Center and create an incentive program. Visit unitap.app and scroll down to see Incentive Center. Here you can create incentive programs using both Token Tap and Prize Tap. We'll go for Prize Tap to set up a raffle, but you can also use Token Tap using a similar process. Now click on Set up a new raffle. Here, you can set specific requirements for who can enter your raffle. Tap on Add Requirement and choose your desired criteria. More options will be added in future updates. You can also contact the Unitap team and we'll add your project as a requirement. Here we set the requirement to be following Unitap on Farcaster. Now, you need to set your prize info. Choose your desired blockchain and select the token you're giving away. It's also possible to raffle an NFT. Enter the number of winners and the amount they'll each receive. Once you're happy with everything, tap on Next. Here, you can set the raffle starting and end times manually, or using the calendar. Choose the ASAP option if you want the raffle to be live right away. You also have the option to set a maximum number of participants. In this section, you should provide your info. The provider name, description, your website, Twitter, and Discord will be shown to the users. The email and Telegram handle are for contacting purposes. After completing this page, click on Next, and you can see a summary of your campaign. If everything is okay, deposit the reward and wait for a few minutes. Your raffle will be live.